So we're seeing something this. So we're seeing this, right? Evelyn.
Yes, ma'am.
So there is a difference between execution of elif, if elif, and execution of if. Okay. So before going to this example, let me tell you. See, just imagine it as a if condition as a bridge. What is it? If condition is as a bridge, and there is a guard. Okay. So the guard will check for some. It will allow you to enter into the bridge only satisfying some condition. Nowadays, you can see that in all the places you have this electronic thermal gun, isn't it? Laser gun. If your temperature is high, they won't allow you to get in to supermarket or tourists. So it's like, so the guard will allow you to enter only if the condition is true. So that is a simple if condition without any else. That you understood? Otherwise, you can't enter into the bridge. God won't allow you. Now comes the if-else condition. If-else. So there are two bridges. One is with the guard. The other one is no guards. Anyone can enter. Whether you have a COVID positive, whether you have a COVID negative, anyone can enter into that bridge. You will get an pass to enter into that bridge. So that is if else. So if in that bridge there will be a guard. So only if the condition is true, you will get a pass. Okay. Now comes your if, elif. So many guards, many bridges. So say for example, for if, elif, else. So how many bridges should be there? How many bridges?
4.
4 bridges. If, elif, else. So 4 bridges and how many guards? Gauri, how many guards?
Ma'am, I didn't understand it.
You didn't understand.
No, ma'am.
Understood about the bridge or normal bridge, Alva bridge, Annavanala bridge.
Ma'am, that elif I didn't understand. If and else I understood.
If and else you understood. Okay, in next program, suppose there are if, one if, then elif, then else. Okay. So we have 5 conditions. Actually, we have written 5 things. First one is if, second one is elif, third one is elif, fourth one is again elif, then fifth one is else. So it is like 5 bridges. 5 bridges. Each condition is a bridge. So my question is, how many guards will be there in that 5 bridges? 5 or 4? Dia?
4.
Only 4. Very good. Because the else condition, there won't be any guard. Anyone can get a pass to that bridge. And when you write this if-elif condition, the specialty is that one person can enter only to one bridge. See the difference? If it is if, elif, else, only the entry to one bridge, even though multiple bridges are there, many bridges are there with many guards, but he can enter into only one bridge. That is the speciality of if elif. Now let's see this is in another way. That is, if instead of if elif elif elif, I'm changing it to if then else. Okay, I'm changing into if then else. Now again there will be 5 bridges with 4 guards. Now the speciality, can you just tell me the speciality, Aditya Raj?
Ma'am, only one. All the bridges are open.
Yes, you can enter into multiple bridges if your condition, if you satisfy that particular condition. That is the difference between if and if elif. Understood?
Yes.
Agauri, or did I make this more complicated? This if elif. To say something. No response. Why no response? Hannah. Amal Judge looking very serious. Did I make things complicated or I made it simpler? Hello, say yes or no. Amal Raj, say I'm calling you.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand or not?
I understood.
You understood. Oh, for that, why you took this much time? Okay. So that means this difference between if, elif is that when you write multiple ifs, multiple entries. When you write multiple elifs, single entry, but multiple conditions can be checked. But single entry, only one will work. Now let's go to the program. So here, first if condition will be checked, and based on the condition satisfaction, if it is true, the statement will get executed, otherwise statement won't get executed. Next if also will work. Check it, if we'll check for the condition whether it is true or false. If the condition is true, then this will be executed, and this is a common statement. Now let's change this to now. Evelyn, can you tell me what's the difference now?
First, x is equal to 5.
Ah.
Then, if statement x is less than 10, that statement is correct. So that print will be smaller, will be printed. Then, as one statement is true, it won't go to elif.
Yes,
it directly go to print, and finished will be printed.
Very good. That is how it works. Already you got one entry. Now you are not allowed to enter into any one of the other bridges. Your chances are. That is the meaning of if elif. Now let me change this to 34. Krishnachandran, tell me how now how the execution happens.
Finished will be.
Hello, execution. execution from here?
Finished will be executed no matter the
Ah, okay, that we all understood. The question is how the execution will be performed. How the control flow of execution happen. What is Krishnendran? So we'll change the question to Anton. Anthony.
Yes, ma'am.
How the flow of execution. So my mouse is, I pointed the mouse here. Tell me.
34
Hmm.
less than 10.
34. Then Emmanuel. Emmanuel. Vidhur. Vidhur. Emmanuel. Basil. Aryan. Aryan. Vidhur. Tell me.
If is false now, so it can go to if.
This if. It will go to directly elif or it will check this if.
It will check if.
This will check this if. Okay. Then
It is false there.
then
Then to elif. Then
it will go to
elif.
Hmm.
Then finished. It will print bigger. Last finished.
Your voice is not clear to me. Aryan. Yes, Aryan. Come on. Aryan. Everyone turn on your video. Aryan, Sana, Muhammad Irfan, Ashish. Aryan, tell me how the control of flow of execution.
Ma'am, I'm getting disconnected. I can't see the screen share also.
You're not getting the screen share. So I haven't shared any screen. Now explain to me this. Yes. Now, Aryan, are you able to see this? Aryan.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me. Waiting here. Waiting.
Ma'am, I couldn't listen to the explanation. I don't know.
Why you don't know?
Ma'am, I got a disconnected 4 to 5 times.
Okay. Ashish Benny.
else statement is executed.
This statement will get executed. So what about this statement? Will it be checked first?
Yes.
So it will be checked first, and it found that the condition is wrong. So when if the condition is wrong, then it will go and check for the next condition. But if the condition is true, then this won't get executed. This won't be checked. So as I told you, you can go through, you will get entry to only one bridge for the multiple bridges. So if that guard is rejecting you, then only you can go and check in the next bridge to check for the next condition. If second guard also rejects you, then you can go and check in the third bridge. So once you get an entry to a bridge, then no more entries. That is the speciality of if, elif. Then else is a bridge without any guards. If all the conditions are wrong, then you will get an entry to the last bridge if that else condition is specified. Here in the question, in the code, there is no else condition. So nothing will happen. Is it clear?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Those who were listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I have already told you about the comparison operator. These are the different operators that we can use. Then, okay. This is a nested condition that I told you on the last class, last day. See this, if a condition is given inside another condition, then it is called a nested condition. Okay, it is like you are checking for the condition at the entry of the bridge, and also after going a little bit, again another condition is checked. Then only you will get entry to something else. So say for example, first you checked for the fever and you are okay, your body temperature is okay, you got the entry. Then after some time, another checking for your mobile phone. If mobile phone is the entry is not allowed, then so another checking. So first you got the entry, but in the next checking, you did not get the entry. So after the first condition checking, you got the entry, getting to that if, but again another condition. Sometimes you may get a pass or you may be rejected. So that is the speciality of Ashwin. That is a speciality of
If elif.
if.
Elif.
No, that is a speciality of
Else.
No, speciality of focus out. Isn't it, Ashwin? Speciality of Vithur is saying the answer. Vithur, unmute and say.
If.
Speciality?
If.
No, not if. Speciality of nested if. Nested. That is a condition inside another condition. A condition is checked inside another condition. Inside the condition, there can be another condition. Once you, after checking the condition, again there can be other checking for something else. Like mobile phone checked. The next one is It can be checking whether you're there is something what you get electronic equipment, some other electronic equipments with you. So another checking. So at any time you will get a checking. So only depending on that you will get the entry. That is a specialty for nested if. Nested if, but it can be a nested else, anything. So that we have seen the example over here. X equal to 42. The value is 42. If X greater than 1, then more than 1. So we are checking 42 is greater than 1, so more than 1. But another checking condition inside this if. What is the next checking condition? If X less than 100. So yes, it is less than 100. Then this print all done. So this is one condition. Inside that condition, there can be another condition. That is why the indentation is here. If the indentation of this purple if is here, because it is a part of whom? It is a part of it is a part of Ashwin. It's a part of the purple. If is a part of
green if.
Green if. Okay, very good. Focused in back. Okay. Then what about this all done? Part of? All done is a part of Ashwin.
Nothing.
And that is a part of the main program. It's a part of the main program. That is its continuation of this X equal to 42, this main program. See the indentation. Okay. Then we have two-way decisions. The same thing. If, elif, 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 else. Few examples are given here. So hope you understood this. So I have to check whether you understood or not. So let's see something else. 10:30 to write. So the time is till 10:45. Okay, you have time. So before that, just tell me what is the speciality of if, elif, and the question 2 again to Ashwin. You have to tell me a simple if else, if elif, nested if. 4 things. Start.
If is for one condition. Else for two conditions.
So else you can write simply without any if.
Two conditions.
That is if and else. If else can't stand simply independently, so you have to write on if to support it. Okay. Then
If else is for two conditions. More than two conditions. More than two conditions.
Yeah. Not all. If else.
If else for more than two nested.
If means multiple executions. Multiple execution is possible in if. But what about if elif multiple execution is not possible? Okay, so only one entry in if elif elif elif. Multiple entries can be possible for if. Now I'll give you one question to do. Just wait.
Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the function of solver tool of OpenOffice Calc, and this is the sixth topic of session 1 of Unit 2, electronic spreadsheet. Now, just to explain the function of solver tool, here one situation I have considered, that is
I have shared a link, so just click on it and join. Checking for if else conditions. Thirty seconds you'll get for one question. Only 15 joined. Okay, 16. 18. Krishna Chandran, did you get the link?
No, ma'am.
I have sent it.
Can't join, I think so.
Why? No, you can't join. Only 18 join first.
It's not coming.
It's not coming. Just try it. Try it. Twenty participants. Withhold. Try to join. 21. 22. You joined with what? With who?
No, can't.
Try to open that in Google Chrome, this link, or some other browser you try. Or copy to directly copy and paste it in browser and check. Or you just go to, are you using a laptop? Join myquiz.com and enter the code. You can enter that code that is given 397462. Trying that one. First. Enter.
Yes, I think so. No.
working properly. Time is running. You'll see if condition, you can see it, and also be very careful when you find out the answer. Okay. Name of the variable. Always I only no much difference. Therefore, Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all for today. So I'll give you an homework in Google Classroom. So try to do it. Okay, bye.